Stop scrolling. AI is printing money, and you're missing out. From jaw-dropping tools that write entire books in minutes to apps that rake in cash while you sleep. This is a revolution you can't afford to ignore. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm exposing the game-changing secrets to making insane money with AI. Let's get started before you get left behind.
1. AI-powered content creation and freelancing.
First, let's talk about how to make money through AI-powered content creation and freelancing. Content creation is at the forefront of digital demand, and AI tools are helping creators work faster and smarter. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai are assisting writers in crafting articles, blogs, and marketing copy at scale. And with freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, AI-powered content creation is a growing niche. 1. Writing and copywriting. Use tools like ChatGPT to draft content outlines, blog posts, or product descriptions quickly. Did you know that Jasper AI users report up to a 50% increase in productivity on writing projects? With these AI tools, you can complete more projects and increase your freelance income. 2. AI-generated art and design. For artists and designers, platforms like Midjourney and DALL generate unique visuals for clients needing logos, illustrations, and social media graphics. In 2023, AI-driven artwork demand surged by over 20%, especially for use in digital marketing and content creation. How to start? 1. Set up your tools. Register for AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai. Most offer free trials. For visual projects, start with Canva for simple designs and upgrade to AI art generators like DALL or Midjourney. 2. Learn the tools. Watch tutorials on YouTube or take short courses on platforms like Skillshare or Udemy for advanced tips on these tools. 3. Create a portfolio. Use AI tools to create sample blogs, graphics, or short videos. For example, design a hypothetical brand logo or write an engaging 500-word blog post. Showcase these samples on a personal website or a portfolio site like Behance. 4. Join freelance platforms. Sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Create gig offerings like AI-powered blog writing or AI-generated digital art for social media. 5. Market yourself. Share your portfolio and AI-powered work on LinkedIn, Instagram, or TikTok to attract potential clients.
2. AI in e-commerce and dropshipping.
E-commerce is booming, with sales reaching over $5.5 trillion in 2022 globally, and AI is enhancing every step of the process. From product recommendations to AI-driven customer service, entrepreneurs are using AI to grow their online stores. 1. AI for product recommendations. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon offer AI tools to suggest products to customers based on browsing behavior, increasing the likelihood of sales by up to 30%. 2. Automated customer service. AI chatbots like ChatFuel and ManyChat provide 24/7 customer support, enhancing customer satisfaction and saving up to 30% on service costs. 3. Market analysis and product trends. Tools like Helium 10 and Jungle Scout use AI to analyze trending products and predict which items will sell well, making it easier to choose profitable products for your store. How to start? 1. Choose a platform. Start with Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Shopify is ideal for complete stores, while Etsy works well for niche products. 2. Find winning products. Use AI tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or Niche Scraper to analyze trending products and evaluate profitability. Look for products with high demand and low competition. 3. Automate with AI tools. Integrate AI chatbots like TDO or Zendesk for customer service. Use AI-powered email marketing tools like Klaviyo to design campaigns that convert. 4. Create a dropshipping store. Partner with suppliers using tools like DSers or Spocket for automated order fulfillment. Spocket also allows you to filter suppliers by region. 5. Launch your store. Use Canva or Jasper to create professional branding and product descriptions. Start small with a focused niche and scale once you gain traction.
3. AI-driven financial market trading.
One of the most profitable uses of AI is in finance. Algorithmic trading, or using AI to automate trades, has grown rapidly in recent years, and some AI algorithms have even outperformed human traders. 1. Algorithmic trading. Platforms like QuantConnect and Alpaca let you test and deploy trading algorithms. AI-based algorithms analyze large data sets to predict stock price movements. In fact, algorithmic trading now accounts for nearly 60% of all U.S. stock trades. 2. Crypto trading bots. Tools like 3 Commas and Crypto Hopper enable AI-driven trading for cryptocurrencies, allowing users to automate buy and sell decisions based on market data. 3. Robo-advisors. AI-based financial advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront offer low-cost investment management, handling assets worth billions of dollars and typically outperforming traditional funds. How to start? Learn the basics of trading. Familiarize yourself with financial markets through free resources on Investopedia or paid courses on Udemy. Choose a trading platform. For stocks, use platforms like QuantConnect, Alpaca, or Interactive Brokers. For cryptocurrency, start with 3 Commas, Coinbase, or Binance. Experiment with AI tools. Use trading bots like Pionex or CryptoHopper for automated cryptocurrency trading. Start by backtesting strategies and demo accounts to refine your understanding of algorithmic trading without risking money. Develop a trading strategy. Begin with simple rules, like tracking moving averages or volume. Use AI tools to refine predictions based on historical data. 5. Start small. Allocate a small portion of your budget for trading while you learn, then scale up as you grow confident.
4. Creating and selling AI-driven online courses.
With the rise of online learning, AI-driven courses have become an effective way to make money while educating others. Online course platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable enable creators to launch their own courses, and AI is transforming this experience. Adaptive learning. AI-powered platforms like Thinkific allow you to create personalized learning experiences, adjusting the difficulty based on user performance, leading to increased engagement and completion rates by up to 30% too. Course content suggestions. Jasper and Synthesia can help you create video content with AI avatars and voiceovers, so you don't need expensive recording equipment to get started. How to start? 1. Identify a niche. Think about topics you're skilled in or passionate about, such as digital marketing, programming, or graphic design. 2. Develop course content. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate course outlines and module content. For videos, use Synthesia to create professional-looking videos with AI avatars and voiceovers. Choose a platform. Host your course on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Thinkific. Create interactive materials. Use tools like Quizlet or Canva to design quizzes, cheat sheets, and downloadable resources. 5. Promote your course. Market your course on LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram. Collaborate with influencers in your niche for better visibility.
5. Building and monetizing AI-powered apps.
The mobile app industry generated $430 billion in 2022, and apps with AI features are gaining popularity. You don't even need extensive coding knowledge to build a basic AI app. AI-powered apps for niche markets. Apps like MyFitnessPal and FaceApp use AI to provide personalized experiences. Niche apps that use AI to deliver tailored solutions are especially popular, with markets like fitness and education showing high demand. 2. No-code platforms. Tools like Bubble and AppyPie make it possible to build AI-powered apps without heavy coding, opening up opportunities for beginners. How to start? Learn app development basics. Take beginner courses on Coursera or Codecademy to understand app development fundamentals. Choose a no-code platform. Use tools like AppyPie, Bubble, or Thunkable to create apps without coding. Focus on a niche problem. Identify a problem your app can solve, such as AI-powered language learning, personal finance tracking, or wellness coaching. 4. Leverage AI APIs. Integrate advanced AI features using APIs from platforms like OpenAI, Google Cloud AI, or IBM Watson. 5. Test and launch. Run beta tests to gather user feedback, then release the app on Google Play Store and Apple App Store.
6. Selling AI-generated products and services.
Another exciting way to make money with AI is by selling AI-generated products. From art and music to digital marketing assets, the demand for unique AI-created items is on the rise. 1. AI-generated art and NFTs. Platforms like Midjourney and OpenSea allow you to create and sell unique digital art pieces, or even NFTs. AI-generated NFTs have grown in popularity, with some selling for thousands of dollars. 2. Customized marketing content. Businesses pay top dollar for content that enhances their brand. By using tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, you can create blog posts, ad copy, and social media graphics tailored to specific clients. How to start? 1. Pick a product type. Decide on the type of products you'll sell, such as AI-generated art, NFTs, or printable planners. Use AI tools for creation. For art, use Midjourney or DeepArt. For music, try AIVA or SoundRaw. For printables, use Canva with AI-powered design templates. 3. Choose a marketplace. For NFTs, sign up on OpenSea or Rarible. For digital products, use Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. 4. Brand your store. Create a professional logo and marketing materials with AI tools like Luca and Jasper. 5. Market effectively. Use social media ads on Instagram and TikTok. Highlight the uniqueness of your AI-generated products. Artificial intelligence is opening up an array of new income streams, accessible to almost anyone willing to learn and experiment. Whether it's creating content, trading stocks, or building apps, there's a path for you to make money with AI. Remember, the key to success is continuous learning and adapting to new AI tools. So take that first step, dive in, and explore the possibilities AI has to offer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful videos.